Okay, so we're going to start with our paso tres. This is the fifth grammar concept. We continue with the subjunctive, and now we will discuss those verbs that express doubt, uncertainty, and denial. So, subjuntivo para expresar duda y negación. Duda is doubt, negación, negation, or denial. Okay, so let's get started. So, we know that we use the subjunctive to express hypothetical or subjective attitudes. And in this case, it's going to be about denial or doubts. We're going to this mode mostly describes reality that is hypothetical, right? And so, in this case, there are actions or states that are not yet a reality at all or may never will be. This is an example of a sentence using when we have doubts. Okay, so dudo que me ofrezcan el trabajo. So, like we know, we need two subjects. One of them is I, the other one is they. So, perfect. We have two subjects, and then this verb expressing doubt triggers subjunctive. And so the verb in the subjunctive is going to be here, ofrezcan. So I doubt that they will offer me the job. Me ofrezcan. And it's because it's they. So it has to be, they are the ones offering the job, whoever that is, like a group of people offering a job to me in this case. So falseness or denial. If the main clause indicates doubt, like we saw in our sentence, falseness or unreality, the subjunctive is used in the subordinate clause. And so everything that is after the connector, it's included in the subordinate clause, or it's also called dependent clause. So here, no creemos que vaya a nevar mañana. We don't believe that, or we don't think that it's going to rain or snow tomorrow. So we are the ones not believing something, and this is about the weather, if it's gonna snow or not tomorrow. And so the weather, it will be the other subject in this case. And so because we don't believe, right, it's triggering subjunctive here. Vaya. Mis amigos dudan que yo pueda tomar 2 helados. So my friends is one subject, and then the other subject is yo. We have two subjects. And then the verb dudar, right? Doubt. And so the connector, since they doubt that I'm able to have or eat 2 ice creams. And so this verb needs to be in the subjunctive as well. Okay, so then these are some of the verbs. Just like I showed you in the other presentation, these verbs are used to express doubt and denial. And so these verbs do not require a change of subject in the dependent clause to use them, to use the subjunctive. Actually, they are more independent that way. So, for example, dudar, right? That's to doubt. Negar, to deny. No pensar, no creer, no estar seguro. When we're not sure about something, no estoy seguro. That in a way is conjugated. So let's see some examples. Dudo que Camilo, padezca de artritis. And so in this case, I doubt, right? I the subject, and then Camilo is the other subject. And so, dudo que Camilo padezca de artritis. And so, my verb needs to be in the subjunctive here. No creo que el médico sepa el diagnóstico. In this case, I'm not believing, I'm not sure if the doctor knows the diagnosis. So, sepa in the subjunctive. No estamos seguros de que consigas el trabajo. In this case, we are not sure that you will get the job. And so, to get in the subjunctive, consigas. Tu jefe niega que tengas mucho trabajo en la oficina. Your boss is one subject and you are the other subject. And so he denies that you actually have a lot of work in the office. And so tengas in the subjunctive. These are some impersonal expressions that we can use with that are going to convey uncertainty, doubts, falseness, and denial. Es dudable que. Es imposible que. No es posible que. No es probable que. No es cierto que. No es verdad que. No es seguro que. No es evidente que. No es obvio que. As you can see, we are denying many of them, like all of this here. So when there's a negation, of course, it's not possible, it's unlikely, it's not true, all of those. So let's see this activity. We need to choose the appropriate phrase to complete each sentence. And so, no es verdad que Luis, so we're saying, it's not true that Luis, right? And so my possibilities are tenga mucho dinero, no tenga mucho dinero. And the second phrase or sentence es probable que él, so it's probable that or it's possible that he, and then gane mucho dinero, so makes a lot of money or doesn't make a lot of money. So let's see our answers here. No es verdad que Luis tenga mucho dinero. So we actually probably know for a fact that he doesn't have a lot of money. So it's very possible that he doesn't make much money in this case. Well, the picture we can see, I mean, his pockets are kind of empty and his face is showing us that kind of like sad and disappointed. Okay, so let's see. And I've prepared a practice as well. All of these verbs are conveying some type of doubt or uncertainty or denial. And so the verbs here in parentheses are the ones that need to be changed into the subjunctive. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this presentation and I will talk to you soon. Ciao chicos!